Have you noticed how everyone is distracted by the Bitcoin price? What if I told you the real treasure chest isn't in the price of Bitcoin, but elsewhere? Have you looked at the stock of Saylor's strategy? Did you know it could be undervalued by the market? And have you stopped to consider that the United States government has already declared its intention to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve? And of course, how would it go about buying 1 million coins without driving the price up? Quite simple, by acquiring a company like Strategy. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, isn't just a tech company. It's de facto one of the largest Bitcoin treasuries on the planet, and they won't hide it. Every quarter, Michael Saylor makes it clear, this company is already a Bitcoin holding company. As of August 2025, the current market price of one Strategy share is $375. To date, Strategy has accumulated 628,000 Bitcoins in its treasury. With Bitcoin's current price of $112,000, this represents a total value of over $70 billion in Bitcoin. But Strategy has significant financial debt. That debt is currently estimated at $8.2 billion. If we subtract this debt from the total value of its Bitcoins, we get a net book value of $62.14 billion. Now, if we divide that value by the number of fully diluted shares, approximately 16.6 million, we get what some analysts consider the true indicator of underlying value, a net book value per share of approximately $3,743. Current market price? $375. Are we looking at one of the biggest undervaluations in the market? Now let's consider a strategic possibility. If the United States government really wants to build a reserve of 1 million Bitcoins, the quickest option wouldn't be to buy them directly on the market, as that would drive up the price. The most effective option would be to acquire a company that already has them. Strategy, with more than 600,000 Bitcoins in its treasury, would be the ideal candidate. In a standard market transaction, the net book value per share would be taken, and a premium of 30% or more would be added if it's considered a strategic purchase. But if the buyer is the government itself, and they want to negotiate firmly, they could also consider paying only the net current value, or even applying a 10% discount. This scenario would allow large amounts of Bitcoin to be accumulated without drastically moving the market. None of this is investment advice. These are theories based on real data, official announcements, and public statements. Every investor should do their own analysis, think long-term, and own their own decisions. But remember, while the world watches the daily price of Bitcoin, others are already looking into the vaults where it's silently stored. Subscribe if you want more content like this, share this video, and leave me a comment. Do you also think Strategy is Wall Street's great hidden treasure? Greetings and good luck.